Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at problem 7. So it says find the area of a parallelogram if the lengths of the sides are 119 and 225 centimeters, and if one angle of the parallelogram is 68.3 degrees. Well, if you draw the parallelogram, this angle is acute, this one's obtuse. So this one is the one that's going to be 68.3 degrees. So I drew the diagonal this way because we know this angle. So I'm going to split this parallelogram up into two triangles. So what I want to do is find this third side, this diagonal, so that I'll know all three sides, so I can use the Hero's formula and find the area. So if I look at this triangle, I have a side, an angle, and a side. Side, angle, side says I need to use the law of cosines. And since I labeled the diagonal A, I would use this form of the law of cosines. So I wrote that down, plugged in the numbers, took the square root, and I ended up with the diagonal being 212.0991 and so on centimeters. So now I know the three sides in this triangle, so I can use the Hero's formula. So take the sum of all three sides, divide by 2, and I get S. And then the area is the square root of S times S minus the first side times S minus the second side times S minus the third side. So I got the area of that triangle to be 12,438.7623 and so on square centimeters. So that's the area of this triangle. Well, we need to find the area of this triangle. But if you compare the two triangles, they both have a side of 119 and then an angle of 68.3 degrees and then a side of 225 degrees and then a side that they share, so it's both or the same side, is 212.0991 and so on centimeters. So those two triangles are exactly the same, so they're going to have the same area. And so the area of the entire parallelogram would be 2 times the area of one of the triangles. So 2 times the 12,000 number is 24,877.5246 and so on square centimeters. So there's problem 7. Problem 8, I'm not going to give you a hint for this one. I think you can solve that without a hint. So please do that problem and then come back and watch the next video.